We begin on the weather watch. Quite a day, especially along the lake. The water churned up at Oakwood Beach.
Just a few miles away, the view from Chopper 2. Look at those waves crashing way over the edge of Promontory Point. But in northwest Indiana, those wild waves have meant one thing: hang 10. Surfers doing their thing on a very rough Lake Michigan. Good evening, I'm Rob Johnson.
And I'm Erica Sargent. The wild weather not just at the lakefront. Downtown, dangerous chunks of ice fell from buildings.
CBS 2's Roseanne Tellez saw it firsthand. She's live outside the Willis Tower, and what an odd thing to see in early April, Roseanne.
Right, in spring in Chicago, but we were dodging the ice just like everyone else. And it was tricky because of the high winds. You would see a chunk of ice coming down, but you were never quite sure where it was going to land. Falling ice, falling glass, and closed streets. Those were just some of the challenges greeting pedestrians and cars today downtown.
I'm kind of scurrying past so I don't actually get clobbered by this falling ice, but it happens once in a while.
They've kind of continued to close it further and further as the day's gone on and like more blocks around, so it's
getting hard to get around.
Yeah, it's become very inconvenient.
Blame it all on high winds that at Willis Tower created snow showers on a sunny April day. Enough ice and snow that this doorman donned a hard hat. This man says he just missed a direct hit.
I'd say it was the size of a softball, 16-inch softball. It came soaring down and hit the ground and splattered.
These visitors from Columbia thought they might not even make it to the tower because of all the closed streets. So now you can say that you know why we call it the Windy City.
Okay, now I understand.
Windy and even in spring, icy. Watch to the left of this pedestrian as falling ice nearly pelts the front of an SUV. Over on Wacker Drive, high winds are blamed for breaking a window in an apartment tower, but it was too windy to repair today. Now, luckily, nobody was injured by falling glass in that incident, and nobody that we know of was injured by any of the falling ice. The other good news tonight, with the temperatures going down a little bit and the wind dying down a little bit, we have not seen any falling ice for a couple of hours now. Live outside the Willis Tower, Roseanne Tellez, CBS 2 News. Back to you.
Okay, Roseanne, thanks.
Well, the high